All right, I have here a nice little travel bag for your cables, for small devices. This thing is great. It is compact, and here it is in all of its glory. First off, you have two zipper pockets right here, and you're gonna open this up, and you can see where you can easily put your cables. You got mesh pockets with zippers on one side with little straps where you can easily tuck in your cables, just keeping them all organized. You also have this over here, but just in reverse on the other side, which makes it great because then you don't have cords bunching up on cords or anything like that. It's easier to close. It does give you a bit of room on that side as well when you do zip it up, so it's not gonna be all bulky and weird. Now you have your second part of this where you have a bigger space. I mean, this is a nice big space. I mean, you could put a lot of like action cameras and things like that in here if you need to, or other devices. So with this, like, it also comes with these Velcro dividers. So you can actually set this thing up and divide this thing out. So if you want to put some things in, you don't want them to smash into each other in transit, that would be a great way to do it. It also has a mesh pocket at the top where you can put some other cables in here and zip it up if you need to. And then you zip the whole thing up together. And this is one of those things that's great. Like, you don't want to just throw your cords and a bunch of loose items into your backpack. You kind of want to keep them all together. This is a nice little bag for that. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.